Hello everyone, my name is Supriya Biradar. Today I am going to share my consumer goods ad hoc analysis project which I completed as a part of the Codebasics SQL resume project challenge. In this project, I used SQL to solve real business questions and generate insight that can help management make a better business decision. So let's begin. We'll see first agenda of this project. In this presentation, I will cover about the company products and market channels, problem statement, data overview, ad hoc request, and insight. Next, we'll see about company. AtliQ Hardware is leading computer hardware company. It operates in 26 countries and manufactures products like the PC, peripherals, accessories, networking, and storage device. The company serves customers such as Amazon, Flipkart, Walmart, Walmart through retail store and e-commerce channels. It operates two primary sales channels, that is brick and mortars and e-commerce channels. Next, company products and market channel. This slide shows the company product categories and sales channel. AtliQ operates in three different market channels such as retailer, direct, and distributors. So retailer means company passes its manufacturing product to the retailer and then retailer sold this product to end consumer. In the direct channel, company has its own physical offline store where they directly sold its product to the end consumer, and a distributor act as a middleman between company manufacturer product and retailer. And you can see the P&A, we can say peripherals, accessories, PC, notebook, desktop, and you can see here NNS, storage, and networking. So this right side we can say category wise product distribution. So here we can see the platform is brick and mortar and e-commerce, and the channel is retailer, direct, and distributor, and these are the category. So let's see the next one, problem statement. The AtliQ Hardware needed quick data-driven answer to ad hoc business questions related to sales, customers, products, and market, and the objective was to analyze large data set using SQL and generate actionable insight to support strategic business decision. And my role was to analyze the data using SQL, solve 10 ad hoc business requests, and provide useful business insight. For this project, I used a SQL concept like the join, CTEs, Windows function, aggregate functions, and subqueries, and verified results and presented by key business insight. Next one, we can see data overview. The dataset contains two-dimension tables, DIM customer, DIM product, and four fact tables, that is fact sales monthly, fact gross price, fact manufacturing cost, fact pre-invoice deductions. You can see the dataset model, and the analysis is based on the fiscal year 2020 to fiscal year 2021 data. And the very important thing, the company fiscal year start on the 1st September and end on the 31st August. Next, we'll see ad hoc request and insight. So first request, provide the list of markets in which customer AtliQ exclusive operates its business in the APAC region. So for this, I have used this query like the select listing market from DIM customer, where region is equal to APAC and customer is AtliQ exclusive. So we can see that the inside AtliQ exclusive operate in 8 markets in the APAC region, and the company mainly sells through brick and mortar store, physical stores. Brick and mortar is a physical store and e-commerce is online store. APAC has the highest number of stores, followed by Europe 6 and North America 2, and Latam has a no physical store, or which could be the future growth opportunity. So here we can say that the business impact, APAC is AtliQ largest and strongest market. Latam has a growth potential as the company currently has a no store there. Second request, what is the percentage of unique product increase in 2021 versus 2022? The final output contains these fields that unique products 2020, unique products 2021, percentage change. So I have used this SQL queries written here, and the insight is like AtliQ had a 245 products in fiscal year 2020, and in fiscal year 2021 the number of products increased to 334. This represents a 36.33 percentage increase in product count. And business impact, we can say a strong product portfolio helps AtliQ serve a wider customer base. Expanding smaller segment can create new growth opportunities. Continuous innovation will help AtliQ stay competitive in the market. So here we can see unique product 2022 245, 2021 334, and the percentage change, that is 36.33 percentage. Next, request 3, provide a report with all the unique product counts for each segment and sort them in descending order of product counts. The final output contains two fields, segment and product count. So I have written this SQL query, select segment, count distinct product code as a unique products, name is given. From dim product, the product is used, group by segment and ordered by unique product, DSC, descending. So inside I found that the notebook has the highest number of products, that is 129, followed by accessories and peripherals. Networking has the lowest product count, we can say 9. In the business impact, we can say that the AtliQ focuses more on notebook and accessories categories, and a larger product range provides customers with more choices. Fourth one, we can say get the products that have the highest and lowest manufacturing cost. The final output should contain this field, product code, product manufacturing cost. So I have written this SQL query and used here the year like fiscal year 2020, 2021, and we can see the chart is here, notebook, accessories, peripherals, storage, desktop, networking. Inside we can see accessories recorded the highest increase in products during fiscal year 2021. Every segment added new products showing overall business growth. Business impact, the regular product launches keep the portfolio fresh and relevant, and new product help attract customer and increase sales opportunity. Fifth one, fifth request that was given, get the product that have the highest and lowest manufacturing cost. The final output should contain the field like product code, product manufacturing cost. So I have written this SQL query, and inside I found that the manufacturing cost vary significantly across product. Premier product have much higher production cost than basic accessories. Business impact is high cost product should generate sufficient revenue to maintain profitability, and monitoring manufacturing costs help improve pricing and cost control. Sixth request, generate a report which contains top 5 customers who received an average high pre-invoice discount PCT for the fiscal year 2021, and in the Indian market the final output contains this field like the customer code, customer average discount percentage. So I have written this query, and inside I found that the major customers such as Flipkart, Amazon, Coma, Vivex received the highest discount. Discounts are mainly offered to large volume customers. Business impact is discounts helps strengthen relationship with key customers. Higher order volumes can contribute to overall revenue growth. And next request 7, you can see that they get the complete report of the gross sales amount for the customer AtliQ exclusive for each month. This analysis helps to get an idea of low and high performing months and take strategic decision. The final report contains this column, month year gross sales amount. So this query I have written here, and we can see that the chart. Insight found that sales grew significantly in fiscal year 2021 compared to fiscal year 2020. November recorded highest gross sales, and business impact can say strong sales growth reflect increasing demand for AtliQ products, and understanding peak sales period helps improve planning and inventory management. 8 requests in which quarter of 2020 got the maximum total sold quantity. The final output contained this field sorted by the total sold quantity, quarter total sold quantity. So here we can see I have written this SQL query using the case, and fiscal year quarter 1, quarter 2, quarter 3, quarter 4, and the total units sold. So inside I found like quarter 1 recorded the highest sales volume while quarter 3 had the lowest. Most product demand was concentrated in the first half of the fiscal year. In the business impact, the inventory and marketing efforts should focus on high demand quarters, and better demand planning can reduce stocks shortage and excess inventory. Request 8. Request 9, which channel helped to bring more gross sales in fiscal year 2021 and the percentage of contribution. The final output contained the field channel gross sales mean percentage. So I have written this SQL query, and you can see the chart, retailer, direct and distributor. So inside I found that retailer generated the nearly 3/4 of total gross sales, and direct and distributor channel contributed a much smaller share. Business impact, we can see retailer are the primary sales driver for AtliQ, and strong retailer partnerships are essential for the sustaining growth or revenue growth. Next, the 10th request, that is get the top 3 products in each division that have a high total sold quantity in the fiscal year 2021. The final output contain this field like division product code. So I have written this SQL query, and you can see division, product code, product, total, sold quantity, and rank order. Inside I found that in the NNS division, AQ pen drive 2-in-1 ranked first with 701K units sold, and in the PNA divisions, AQ MS and MS lead sales with the 428K units sold. In the PC division, AQ Digit was the top selling product with 17K units sold, and the NNES division sold the highest volume, followed by PNA, while PC sales were comparatively low. In business impact, top selling products should remain a priority for inventory and marketing efforts, and understanding customer preference helps guide future product development. P&A peripherals and accessories, and NNS are networking, storage, and PC, you can say personal computers. Thank you for your time.